For questions 11 and 12, it says, write the point-slope form of the line satisfying the given conditions, then write the equation in slope-intercept form. These are actually two special cases, so we don't actually need to write it in point-slope form first. And our final answer may not even be in slope-intercept form because they're special cases. And you can kind of see this because of our slope. This is a slope of 0, which means this is a horizontal line. So we know our horizontal lines have the equation y is equal to something. So because it's horizontal, we want y is equal to something. So I know my equation is going to be y is equal to 8 because that's the y value of a point that it has. So you can just really take the y value and that's going to be your equation. In a similar way, if we have an undefined slope, I know this is going to be a vertical line. And I know that all vertical lines have the equation x is equal to something. So if it contains the point x is equal to 3, then the entire line has to have the equation x is equal to 3. And again, that's not really in slope-intercept form, but that is the equation of the line.